What is the deal with air conditioner companies? Now you can get a $25 a month checkup, paying the $25 a month, and they come out every 2 or 3 months to do a checkup on my AC and heating system. Each month, they keep saying my compressor is weak and needs to be replaced. I keep telling them that I will get it replaced when it goes out. It has been 3 years now, my AC is still going strong. Now they say my Freon is low. This was 2 years ago, and my unit needs a leak test. If it was low 2 years ago and they say it needs a leak test, I am sure it is not leaking, or it must have run out by now. I asked the technician how long my AC would last, and he said it would last 2 to 3 weeks. I told him that I will wait until it goes out. This was a year and a half ago. It has dawned on me that these companies are a scam. Be aware of the bigger companies. The technician left my house a week ago, and a lady from the company called me and said, "I understand you need a new unit." I said I want another opinion, so I called another company, and they said my unit was just fine. What a scam. Based on your experience and industry reports, your suspicion of a scam is highly justified. The sales tactics you described, such as repeated unnecessary capacitor and refrigerant replacement pushes, a false new unit diagnosis, and highly inaccurate predictions of imminent failure, are all well-documented forms of HVAC service fraud. Common elements of HVAC scams: preventative maintenance plans. The monthly checkup plan is often designed to put a technician in your home regularly. While some maintenance is beneficial, this frequent schedule provides repeated opportunities for technicians to invent or exaggerate problems and push unnecessary sales. Regular, well-performed annual or biannual checkups are sufficient for most systems. The weak capacitor lie. An AC capacitor stores energy to start the compressor and fans. They can weaken over time, but a good quality one is designed to last 10-20 years. Your unit is still running because the capacitor is clearly not failing. Shady companies often pressure homeowners to replace a perfectly functional capacitor, which is a cheap and easy repair, for an overcharge. A legitimate test requires a voltmeter to measure the microfarad (MFD) rating, a step that is often skipped in these scams. The low refrigerant lie. Refrigerant runs in a sealed system and does not get used up like gas in a car. If your system were truly low on refrigerant, it would have a leak. And as you noted, a persistent leak over 2 years would have completely drained the system, causing it to stop cooling entirely. The repeated diagnosis without fixing the supposed leak is a classic move to charge for unnecessary top-offs. High-pressure sales and false warnings. The claim that your system would fail in 2 to 3 weeks was a blatant scare tactic. Its longevity proves this was a lie designed to pressure you into an expensive, premature replacement. Overriding a technician's report. The company calling you to confirm you need a new unit after their tech left is a significant red flag. How to avoid HVAC scams. To protect yourself from dishonest companies in the future, follow these steps. Research contractors thoroughly. Look for companies with high ratings from independent sources like the Better Business Bureau, BBB, and with good reviews on Google and Yelp. Get multiple estimates. For any expensive or critical repairs, always get a second and even a third opinion from different companies. Verify credentials. Confirm that the company is properly licensed, insured, and certified. For example, NATE certified. Ask for proof. If a technician claims a part is faulty, ask them to provide evidence and explain the problem clearly. Be wary of sales pressure. Never allow a technician to pressure you into an on-the-spot decision. Avoid large, upfront cash payments. Legitimate HVAC companies do not typically require large amounts of cash before starting work. Your experience provides a valuable warning to other consumers. Regular, but not overly frequent maintenance from a reputable company is the best approach to ensuring the longevity of your HVAC system. Be sure to like and subscribe to SCO's YouTube channel.